Obstacles to expect when installing an accessory dwelling unit in Los Angeles. This is Home Guru Lab, and I'm David Hartman. Today we are talking about some of the obstacles and issues that will come up when installing an accessory dwelling unit. You can do your reading, ask Google all you want. Still, in the end, the other sites will lie to you. The number one obstacle to consider when installing an accessory dwelling unit, and this goes for Los Angeles and other cities, is the access to the backyard. The accessory dwelling laws passed in California and in most other locations across the country require the accessory dwelling unit, aka the granny flat or in-law unit, to be in your backyard. No driveway to your backyard, no alleyway behind your property, no 12-foot wide truck accessible drive to get to your backyard. Now your new construction costs jump as the builder needs to crane in the lumber or carry over your nice grass the bags of cement and nails, or the best story I've heard, the contractors bringing in the new windows, walking them in through the front door, through the nice clean house with their dirty shoes and out the back door to get to the construction site. If your property passes this first test, or you are okay with those additional costs associated with your backyard access, now you need to take the next step. This is number 2 on our list, how to pay for the ADU. Some people ask me, shouldn't I find this out first? To this I reply, why spend the time on the phone making calls, getting estimates, doing meetings, if you can't get the money in the first place? Most new construction is paid for with a construction loan from a bank, tapping into the equity of your home using a HELOC, or with a cash in your savings. If after this research you find that the dollar amount that you gather up, or preferably can borrow, is small, there's no reason to move forward with the plans to build the casita for grandma. Number 3 on our list is not as bad as the other guys will tell you. This obstacle is planning and permitting your new accessory dwelling unit. When accessory dwelling units were a new development in the construction industry, the laws about what could be built and what could not be built were gray. From this came many horror stories. Today, this is not the case. The new laws are very detailed. They tell you what can be done. All cities in California have to give you an answer, yes or no, in 60 days. And now many cities, including Los Angeles, have pre-approved plans that streamline your application process to a fraction of the normal permitted time. I talk about this in another video where I detail the cities that are permitting in under 4 days, and in our interview of one company that will install an ADU for you from the submission of the plans to the planning department all the way to the point of you get your certificate of occupancy in under 30 days. You need to check that out. Thank you for joining me today. This is David Hartman with Home Guru Lab. If you like what I have shared here today, click the like button below. Maybe drop a few comments, and if you want, subscribe so you don't miss any of the other important content that I have prepared for you.